So it started in Europe somewhere, and it's Amsterdam. Thank you. And it started as a movement to try and convince manufacturers to let us repair things, so the right to repair things.
Yeah.
So it started as a way to group like-minded people together to fix things and divert them from going into the dump. But also, they're big enough now that they're lobbying people like Apple to give us the ability as people that purchase their equipment to be able to go and fix it. A big Repair Café in Toronto. They've got a nice space and they get lots of volunteers. So for here, it's very new to the region. Meaford started one now, and there's some interest in Owen Sound, so it's good.
To be continued.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you.